Hi guys, in today's tutorial, we are going to make an owl coin purse keychain. So if you want to know how I did this, please keep on watching. Happy hooking! The materials that we need are the following: scissor, orange, and red cotton yarn. You can also use acrylic yarn if you want to, and color of your choice. We will use 3mm crochet hook, 5cm purse clasp, needle with thread, black felt cloth, doll's eyes, I forgot what's the size of this eyes, and safety pin as my stitch marker. So guys, without further ado, let's get started. First, we will going to use the orange yarn. Again, color of your choice. So we will make a magic ring. This is how I make my magic ring. And then chain of 1. Now, round 1, we will make 6 single crochet inside the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, pull the tail to close the circle. Now, we are done with round 1. And then, place your stitch marker at the last stitch. So, we will make a continuous rounds here. No need to add a slip stitch. Now, round 2, we will be increasing. Increase means 2 single crochet in every stitch. One, 2. So in this round 2, our pattern will be increase all the way around. So at the end of the round, we should have 12 single crochet. Now, round 3, we will make 1 single crochet in the first stitch. And in the next stitch, we are going to make an increase. So in this round 3, our pattern will be 1 increase all the way around. So at the end of the round, we should have 18 single crochet. Now, round 4, we will make 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. And in the third stitch, we are going to make an increase. So in this round 4, our pattern will be to increase all the way around. So at the end of the round, we should have 24 single crochet. Now, round 5, we will make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And in the 4th stitch, we are going to make an increase. So in this round, round 5, our pattern will be 3 increase all the way around. So at the end of the round, we should have 30 single crochet. Now, round 6, we will make 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the 5th stitch, we are going to make an increase. So in this round, round 6, our pattern will be 4 increase all the way around. So at the end of the round, we should have 36 single crochet. Now, we are done increasing. So next round, round 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21, we will make single crochet all the way around for 15 rounds. Okay, so at the end of the round, we still have 36 single crochet. So guys, I'll get back to you once I'm done with my 15 rounds of single crochet. Now guys, we are done with our 15 rounds of single crochet. So next step, I just make a chain of 1 and then we will fasten off. So we don't need to have a long tail, okay? So we will just cut the yarn and then set this aside. And now we will make the wings. So we will use our red yarn. So we will use our red yarn and then again 3mm crochet hook. So first we will make a magic ring. And then chain of 1. Now round 1, we will make 6 single crochet inside the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now pull the tail to close the circle. Now we are done with round 1, and then turn your work like this, and then we will make increase in the entire row. Increase means 2 single crochet in every stitch. 1, 2. So in this row, we will make increase all the way around. So at the end of the round, we should have 12 single crochet. Now, row 3, again, turn our work, and then 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then in the next stitch, we will make an increase. So in this row, row 3, our pattern will be 1 increase in the entire row. So at the end of the row, we should have 18 single crochet. Now, we are done increasing. So next step, chain of 1, and then fasten off. So you should make 2 of these for the wings. So I'm already done with the other wings, okay? So now, let's put this aside, and then get your first work, and then we are going to add the purse clasp. So guys, I will just add this off cam so you can see how I add the purse clasp in my last tutorial, in my previous coin purse keychain. Okay, I will just put the link down in the description box for your reference. Okay, now guys, we are done adding the purse clasp. So next step, we are going to add the wings. So we will just count 5 rounds. Here, first in this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then place the wings. So we will just going to sew the wings in the 5th rounds at the top of our work. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same goes with the other sides. Okay. Now guys, we are done adding the wings. So next step, we are going to hot glue the eyes, and then the black felt will be the nose. So we are going to make a small triangle to make it the nose of our owl coin purse. Like that. Okay. So first I will just add toy stuffing so we can see the shape of the owl. Now guys, I just add the toy stuffing inside so we can see the shape, and for us to add the eyes as well. Okay, like that. But first we are going to add the nose. So guys, I'll get back to you for the final look. I will just hot glue it like that. Okay, then I'll get back to you for the final look. Now guys, here is the final look of our owl coin purse keychain. It's very easy to make, guys. I hope you will give it a try. And I also made an amigurumi owl keychain. So if you want to know how I did this, I will just put the link down in the description box for your reference, okay? And then this is the latest. So I just add toy stuffing inside so you can see the shape of our coin purse. So now let's remove it. Like so. It's very easy to make, guys. I hope you will give it a try. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to click the bell button to be notified. Again, thank you for watching, guys. Bye!